Hello everyone, hope you are well, and today I will going to show you how to solve this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled problem. So if you want solve this problem, then you have two methods. First method is you will going to search bar and search it Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security and open it. Then you going to the inbound rules, then going to the new rules, then next click browse, and here you need is your Adobe path. So where will you find this path? This path you will get easily. Hope here have your software icon. If you don't find here, then you go to the search bar and search your software. Then you click the right button and going to the open file location, then right click and file location. You just copy this path and paste here. That's it. You get the Photoshop exe path. If you need another software, then you same way just search bar click and search your software name, and you will get the software, and same way you going to the file location and copy the path. Okay, now you just select this exe file and open it. Then next, if you see this option block the connection is not selected, you just select it and next, and you just can name your software, then finish. It means your software inbound rules it blocked. Same way you just going to the outbound rules, and same way just you going to the new rule, next, and here you select your exe file, open, and next block, next, and you name here and finish. Same way just you inbound and outbound rules, that two options block your software. Then if you run your software, that software pop up that message. Hope you will see the problem is solved. This is the first method, and next method is you open your browser and search here net limiter. Then you get this site, open this site and download. When the software download, then you install it. Okay, check the tick box and install. Okay, when this software install, then you open your software. The software you face the problem. Okay, when you run this software, just going to your search bar and search here net limiter. Open it. Here you see that software is run already. So you just choose your software, the software you want to solve the problem. Just here you inbound and outbound, the two option, you just deny it, and that problem is solved. Then you just can restart your PC, then you again your software run, and hope so you will see that the software is problem solved.